Hi, kindergarten. We are going to be working in our math expressions packet. So not our workbook, but our packet today. And open up to page that has 5-4 at the top. And we've already gone through this in our workbook. So this is extra practice and review for what we've already been learning in kindergarten in math. So it says circle the 10 group in the picture. So we're going to circle the 10 group in each picture, and if you notice on each equation or each picture, it has a 10 group, and the 10 group has 5 on one side and 5 on the other in that circle. So we know 5 plus 5 equals 10. So we're going to circle each 10 group and write the 10 in the equation. And then after you write the equation with a group of 10s and more, you are going to put the total. So for the first one, they already did it for you, right? They already did. It circled a group of 10, wrote the 10, and then they counted the more to make the teen number, right? So we know that 10, flash your 10 fingers, plus 9 more, count them up from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and the total is 19. If you don't want to just count up using your fingers from 10, you can definitely use your number line. You can also check with your hundreds chart. So let's go ahead. They did the first one. Let's go do the second one together. So in the directions it says circle the 10 group. So I'm going to circle the 10 group because I know that's 5 on one side and 5 on the other. I'm going to write the number 10. And then I'm going to count the more. And I see that that is 4, so I'm going to write 4, and I know that 10 plus 4 more is 14. Good. So you're going to go ahead and do that for the rest of this page, and we're going to also be doing the back side of this page. And it says on the back, choose a teen number, so you get to choose which teen number you want to do. You're going to draw that number of circles, so we're going to do it in circles. We're going to first make a 10 group, and then more. So definitely all of us are going to have the 10 group of circles. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a group of 10 circles because that's what the direction said. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's my 10 group. And then you get to decide how many more you want. But again, you get to decide how many more up to a teen number, right? So anything between 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So, how many more? And I'm going to go ahead and write the addition sign because I know I'm adding it up. And you get to decide how many more circles you want to put here to make the teen number. So for on the bottom, I want you to write also the equation. So we're doing 10 plus, you get to decide how many more, equals what's your teen number. Okay? And when you are finished with the front and back of your math expressions packets, I want you to, you're right, show it to me by taking a picture on Seesaw, and it will say math expressions packet. So please make sure you take the picture under the correct label. Thank you.